Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine. Welcome to my channel if you're new. If you're not, thank you for your support and watching another one of my videos. This video is to go inside the CVS ad that starts April 19. There's some great deals. The ad is not looking that great, but I was able to come about and see which of those offers are worth getting. Some of these deals you're able to get them online. The bad thing is that a lot of the products online are out of stock, so it depends how it will go once this ad starts. And in case there was an item that you needed, then I hope that this ad is very helpful. There's not that many food items. The water is going to be a great price. I think it's a good price. Usually we see it, I think it's $2.25. We see it in the past, $2.49, and now it's $2.99. And in my store, I did see that they have them available, so I was able to get a few once I did my haul. So let's go ahead and look inside. This ad starts the 19th and it ends on Saturday the 25th. The printable list is going to be provided below in case you want to do this haul online. So I'm not asking anybody to go out. I'm just providing the information in case you need something. So let's go ahead and start going inside the ad. But before we do, remember the printable link is going to be provided below, and the Sunday insert schedule is also going to be provided below in case you want to go ahead and print it. And as you see, for April 19, we are expecting 2 inserts. So let's go ahead and start with one of those deals. The first deal you'll see is in the cover of the ad, and that is for L'Oreal Cosmetics. It does say that we're going to be getting a 4 off coupon at the Extra Care Coupon Center for L'Oreal Cosmetics or facial care. So you could go ahead and use that CRT on either type of the products from that brand. The deal is buy one get one 50% off, and it's a limit of 3, which I am starting to see a little pattern on that. Usually it's just a limit of 1, and once you buy 12 you will get a 4 ECB. So the best deal is to get one of those eyebrows products for $8.99. The other one is going to be 50% off, so now your total is $13.49. These coupons are digital, so this is something that you could go ahead and do online. I did clip this coupon a few weeks back, so go ahead and check. Open your CVS app and put on card those manufacturer coupons. And I did get this CRT that says L'Oreal Paris Eye Cosmetics. Once you use those coupons and the instant coupon that we are getting on Sunday, you're going to pay $4.49, but remember you're getting back $4 for spending 12, making it just 25 cents each, and hopefully you're able to do this deal online. I know certain instant coupons don't show when you do online deals or when you're going to do your online purchase. So let's see if this one, since we already know the value of it, it's not a mystery coupon. Hopefully this one does show up, so you can go ahead and do this online if you would like to. So now let's move on. Let me just give you another deal idea in case you have a separate CRT. So we're going to go ahead and purchase 4 items. In this case is 2 of the eyeliners that are $9.99 and 2 of the lipstick. Yes, I finally got the lip macaroons. I'm excited to I didn't even know they had a certain flavors. I did have the ones that are chocolate, but these I did get them a few weeks back, but I still haven't tried them. So I'm excited to see if for me to try them out. So go ahead and buy 2 of these, and remember that the one's going to be half off. So your total will be $29.96 for 4 L'Oreal cosmetic products. You're going to be using those coupons that I mentioned, and in this case, if you have a CRT that says 10 off 30 L'Oreal Cosmetics, that's the reason we're trying to reach $30. So you will pay $10.96, but you're going to get back $8. Yeah, you're going to get back $8 for every 12 that you spend. You're going to get back 4. So in this case, you're going to be getting 8. And remember this, you are reaching $30. So this qualifies for the beauty club. Once you spend 30, you get free 3 beauty ECBs. So after the ECB and after the beauty ECB, this haul will be totally free. Okay, so now let's go ahead with Tom's of Maine. The coupons are very interesting, and the sad thing is that as you see the ad, it is promoting the prebiotic. I am not sure they're going to be putting these items in the website to purchase online. Maybe when the ad starts. I've been looking at it to see what kind of best deals I could do, since some of the coupons that are coming on this Sunday's paper, they're good for prebiotic. So that one was hard to do since the prebiotic was not shown online, and I have not seen that in store because I believe this is a new product. So It does say selected Thompson Main's personal care products. If this is included, go ahead, buy 3. You do need to buy 3 to get 5. The bar soaps are $4.99, so buy 2, and the other one's going to be half off. If they are included, that will be a total of $12.48. You're going to use 3 coupons from Smart Source that is coming this Sunday. I put 15, but it's supposed to be 19. And then you're going to pay $9.48, but you're going to get back 5, making it $1.49 each. I'm going to show you a separate deal idea. These are just a toothpaste. Like I mentioned, I have not seen the prebiotic. So go ahead. You remember you need to buy 3. So buy 1 for $6. Well, buy 2 for $6.79. The other one's going to be $3.50. So your new total is $16.97. Use 3 of these same coupons. These coupons you could also use for the bar soap because it does say Tom of Main's item, deducting $1 off 1, and I did not see it excludes the bar soap, but we just have to look at it really close once we get it on the paper on Sunday. So in this case, use 3 of the manufacturer and use a CRT deducting 3 of 12 for toothpaste products. Pay $10.97, get back 5, and it will be $1.99 each. If you don't have the 3 off 12 CRT, then it will be $2.99 for each toothpaste. TRESemmé is going to be on special as well. You see it here on this page. There's no ECB. So this is a pretty easy deal. The bad thing is that you cannot do this online unless they're going to be digital coupons. It does not show that in the ad. So you do need a manufacturer coupon that is coming on this Sunday's paper. And it is buy 2 for $10. Use the manufacturer coupon. And then you could use any CRT you may have that says hair. In this case, I have one that says $2.25 off 10. So go ahead and buy 2. Use those coupons and the instant coupon that is printing that is 2 off 2. So then you will pay, oh my gosh, I put $10.96. You will pay way less than that. That means your final price will be $1.75 for both. And so that equals to 88 cents each with the manufacturer coupon, the instant coupon that is printing, and the CRT. So this deal is for, I usually don't do deals for this nail polish brand Etsy because they are very expensive, but in this one is showing a deal, buy any 2 and get 4 ECB. There was CRTs that printed this Sunday that is printed this week. So go ahead and buy 2 and they're $9 each. So as you see, just for 2 is $18. You could use that CRT that printed and this other CRT for cosmetics, for eyes, lips, face, and nails. You will pay $13. You're going to get back 4, making it $4.50. But if you have purchased 4, remember that you're going to get the 5th nail polish free. So this is another easy brand reward. If you don't have this CRT, the $3 CRT, then it will be $6 each, which is pretty expensive. Okay, so now we're going to talk about this page. This page has many products that are included, but it does say selected. It does talk about Dove, Axe, Shea Moisture, Love Beauty and Planet, 7th Generation, or Love Home and Planet. And it's buy 3 get 5, so it's selected. So I am being kind of careful which one I show you guys, but we know we are going to be getting some of those coupons this Sunday's paper as well. So let's see, let's mix and match. Let's buy 2 of the Axe, 1 of the Love Beauty hair product. Right there we reach $20.87. We're going to be using 2 of the Axe of $1.25. We're going to be using this CRT for Axe shower gel. We're going to use this coupon $1.50. We're just going to use 1, and then this CRT for body wash, deducting 2 off 6. So with all those coupons, the new amount to pay is $12.87. Get back 5, and it will be $2.62 each. Remember, on the bottom, I like to also include the price, what it will be without the CRT. So let's go ahead and do the Love Beauty and Planet, but instead of the hair, let's do the body wash. If it's going to be included, remember the word says selected. So on Sunday, we will see which one is included. I'm just giving you different deal ideas in case. If it is included, then go ahead and buy these items, and your price will be $21.37. Use the Axe body wash coupons, 2 of those, the CRT for Axe that I mentioned. This coupon for body wash and the CRT for body wash as well. Since they're all body wash and the total is $21, we have this one that adds up to 12 and this one that adds up to 6. So use both CRT if you have them. Pay $10.37, get back 5, and it will be $1.79 each. So that, as you know, those products could be a little expensive, but it's good that we are getting some of those coupons. Another mix and match deal will be buying 1 of the Axe and 2 of the Dove hair care if it's included as well. Pay $21.37, use the coupons, and this one is 2 of 2. For Dove, use a CRT for hair care since this is hair care product, and now your total will be $9.27. Get back 5, and it will be $1.42. I am excited that they do have the 7th generation and also the Love Home and Planning, but the coupon that they mentioned is a different type, and I did not see that product in the online website, so I don't know even if they carry it for you to be able to use that other coupon that is coming for those 2 brands. The next deal is going to be another mix and match, and as you see, this one here, which is a Garnier, both of them are going to be 2 for $7. The coupons that we have 1 of each, which is digital, so you could go ahead and do this one digital, go ahead and send it to your card, which is going to deduct $1 for Garnier Fructis and $1 for the whole blends. So I believe you could mix and match. As you see there, they're going to be 2 for $7. Once you buy 2, you will get a 3 ECB. So let's go ahead. How could you get this free? Buy 2 of the Garnier. You could just go ahead and mix and match, so you could use these. But remember, these coupons are also printables in case you need the printable coupon as well. And then swap 2 for $6. Right there, you reach $13. Use a coupon that is coming for swap, deducting $1 each, which you see here. So use 2 of those. Use the digital. So if you're going to buy 1 of each, use each. The digital should be 1 of each as well. And then use a CRT, deducting 3 of 12 for hair care. From $13, pay $6, and you're going to be getting 3 ECB for the Garniers and 3 ECB for Suave, making all of these items free. Such a great deal for that. We see you buy Kotex liners, and it tells you the sizes that are going to be on special, 2 for $8. And there is coupons coming as well on this paper. It's same to $2, at least on the, I just did a video sharing with you guys the coupons are the Sunday inserts and the coupons we're expecting. I did not see it in there. Hopefully we do get it. But so far it does say that it's going to be a $2 off 1. So buy 2 for $8, use 2 of those coupons, pay $4, get back 2 ECB at the end of that receipt, making it $1 each. This will be such a great deal too if you have any CRTs for that. But I think $1 for the big box is pretty good deal. Next, we're going to talk about Crest. Crest is buy 2 for $6. And it said we're going to be getting a coupon sent to card, which is good. That means you could do this digital, so you will get this free. So go ahead and send that to the card. That should be available on Sunday. And then there's a coupon on the app as well, deducting 50 cents off Crest toothpaste. So go ahead and clip that if you're going to use it on Sunday. And pay $2.50, get back 3 ECB for buying 2, making it free, and 50 cents money maker for toothpaste. You could go ahead, since this is a limit of 2, you could buy 4, use the digital coupon, use the app, and then use that CRT if you have it for toothpaste, deducting 3 of 12, and it will still be free. So guys, I concluded this video with all those best deals for CVS. The ad didn't look that great, but we could see so many freebies in case you needed them. I hope you're having a wonderful week and staying safe. The printable coupons, some of those are available and they're going to be provided below this video, just like the shopping list. So thank you guys for watching this video, and until the next video. Bye.